about them. Like, this thing might ruin my pot. Like, no lie. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Hey, welcome back to my channel, Sade Uncensored. And today what I'm going to be making is my deep conditioning mask. And I must say, throughout this entire journey, for all the things that I'm going through right now, I really hope and I pray and I have faith that it is worth it. I am doing a lot right now for these products to come out a certain way, and a lot of dishes and just a lot of mess. And I'm just really hoping, like, this Ayurvedic, a lot of people talk so highly about it. I just really hope that it's what my hair needed after all these years. And I needed to try to find that one product out there that would do my hair just so much justice and I never have to go back to anything. So that's what this is about. It's about trial and error and trying out these products that everybody ravish about. So let's try out these Ayurvedic products, making it from scratch. And I'm gonna take you guys on the journey and tell you guys my feedback, tell you exactly how I feel about it, how I feel about how it looks, literally detail for detail about me having to go through making these products, washing my hair with them, and hair length. That's what we want to know about, right? So stay tuned as you guys watch me do my deep conditioning mask and more. Happy, but I'm excited. All right. So today, I need to be making my deep conditioner, and I'll let you know. I'll put a link down below for whose recipe this is. And she said you're gonna need 2 cups of water, and you're gonna need Brahmi powder, Amla powder, your conditioner, whatever one you want to choose, avocado, just one, something to strain the mixture, half a cup, whisk, and that's what we're gonna need. This is what the Brahmi powder looks like. It's weird. I definitely got this way too high, and this is so weird. She said simmer. Definitely had this above simmer, but I turned it down now. Look at this. Okay, so this is my first time making this stuff, so this is like my honest review, but this looks disgusting. Alright, I gotta add the powder though. You know I'm expecting this to be like green, just because of this green, but I thought it was probably brown. Ooh, okay, it's a pretty little color. So y'all can see what the inside looks like. Yeah. I'm a mess. It's a little thick. I don't know if it was supposed to be this thick, but she said 2 cups of water. Obviously her measurements were off. Look at this. It's like I'm making mud. And it smells like tea. This is so weird. I'm gonna add 2 more cups of water, y'all. Alright, so I got 2 more cups of water. This is what it's starting to look like. I haven't stirred it in a minute. Why this looks like some porch from one of those movies. Nanny McPhee looking kind of medicine. But it's supposed to do wonders for my hair. But you looking kind of iffy right now. I don't think it gets any more natural than this, y'all. I like the color. Not for what I'm about to put in my hair, but I like the color. Coming back to it, I thought I put too much water. Like, oh shoot, I messed up the recipe. But nope, now I need more water. Because this still has a long time to go. This is kind of satisfying to stir though. But I think this is it for my pot. This is totaling to 5 cups of water now, but I'm gonna figure this out. All right. I feel like this is turning out to be a fail. I ain't burned nothing, but it's pretty damn close. I'm simmering it. Is it just me, or is this low-key like expectation versus reality? When you making the little things that they be telling you to make. Like I said, I think my pot done. I might as well throw the whole pot away. Look at this. That's it. At this point, I'm a little annoyed because I'm looking like, where's all my juice? 2 hours of simmering and this is all you got to give me? Best believe I was trying to figure out how to save those little drops that fell on the counter for all of my efforts. Like, I need every drop. So this is what's left over. I don't know what else to call it but dirt. So this is the dirt that's left over. She didn't say what to do with it, so I just decided to toss it. I'll figure out how to be more resourceful, but I didn't think of it yet. So this is what I got out of it. A little over 4 ounces of liquid. Was it worth it? I don't know. But like I said, we're gonna see what it does for your hair, right? Just add a little bit of your conditioner. So again, this is Creole Accents conditioner. Smells good in a weird way. Alright, so all it does is mix up just a little bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. That bad boy in there. Check out my other video to see how I made it. Like I said, it smells pretty good. It smells like peppermint and herbs. I looked up on the mixture, and it has this type of gloss to it. Like this type of pretty silver color. I don't know if y'all can see it the way I see it, but it has like this pretty silver color to it. Weird, right? I'm gonna strain this too, because I want chunks of avocado in my hair. I stored my remaining liquid in the fridge. Application video coming up next. I didn't want this video to be too long.